How to make Windows 11 use all RAM. Here are some steps that would allow you to make Windows 11 use all RAM in your PC. 1. Run the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool. 2. Disable automatically manage paging file size for all drives in virtual memory. And enable the no paging file option for all drives, if they have a page file. Restart your computer later. Enable maximum memory in advanced boot options. Restart your computer later. 4. Set 1 to clear page file. Add shutdown at hkey_local_machine \system \current control set \control \session manager \memory management in registry editor. 5. Enable memory remapping in BIOS settings. 6. Rearrange the RAM modules. 7. Take your PC to a repair center for further help.